Hello everyone, this is Rahul Panchal. I am from Lexicon IHM Pune. Studying in Lexicon IHM has been a great journey so far. We have had a great amount of industrial exposure. We have had the opportunity to visit Fratelli Wines in Solapur, John Distilleries in Goa. We have also visited some of the best hotels like JW Marriott in Pune, W Hotels, and the Taj Confectionery Center. It has given us a great amount of knowledge of how a hotel actually functions. We have also had a lot of leadership talks, which has given me an insight of the hospitality industry. So whole and all, it's been a great experience. So far, my favorite guest has been Karen Anand. She is a legendary food blogger, and things that inspire me about her is the way she carries herself, the immense amount of knowledge she has, and also she is one of the best hosts I've ever seen. She encourages me how to be more confident in life and to change a few things in my life. So far she has been my favorite.